Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Photopea on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your mobile phone. Now open it. Now tap onto the search button and type Photopea and tap onto search. Then here you can find the Photopea option. Now tap on it. Here you can see the Get option. Simply go ahead and select it. Then the app will ask for your confirmation. Now double click to install the app. After a few seconds, the app has been downloaded. Now tap on to open the app. Now tap on to allow button. Now you can see the app has been installed on your phone. You can also find it on your home screen like this. And that's it. This is how you can install the Photopea app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.